Hello guys and welcome to the first ever video tutorial of the geekschool.in. I Suyash Singh will be teaching you hacking from the basic level to the professional. First of all, let me clear you one thing. Who is a hacker? In computer networking, hacking is any technical effort to manipulate the normal behavior of network connections and connected system. A hacker is a person engaged in hacking. The term hacking historically referred to constructive, clever, technical work that was done necessarily related to the computer systems. Today, however, hacking and hackers are most commonly associated with the malicious programming attacks on the internet and other networks. Origins of hacking. MIT engineers in 1950s and 60s first popularized the term and concept of hacking, starting at the Model Train Club and later in the mainframe computer rooms. The so-called hacks prepared by these hackers were intended to be harmless technical experiments and fun learning activities. Later, outside of MIT, others began applying the term to less honorable pursuits. Before the internet became popular, for example, several hackers in US experimented with methods to modify telephones for making long distance calls over the phone illegally. As computer networking and internet exploded in popularity, data networks became by far the most common target of hackers and hacking. Hacking versus cracking. Malicious attacks on computer networks are officially known as cracking, while hacking truly applies only to activities done having good intentions. Most non-technical people fail to make this distinction. However, outside of academia, it's extremely common to see the term hack misused and be applied to cracks as well. Common network hacking techniques. Hacking on computer networks is often done through scripts or other programming languages. These programs generally manipulate data passing through a network connection in ways designed to obtain more information about how target system works. Many such pre-packaged scripts are posted on internet for everyone, typically every level hackers to use. More advanced hackers may study and modify these scripts to develop new methods. A few highly skilled hackers for commercial films with a job to protect that commonly software and data from outside hacking. So this is it for our first session. We'll be coming back with the anonymity of proxy lesson in chapter 2. So goodbye till then and stay connected. Thank you.